Welcome to Friday. You've made it so far. We are so proud of you guys for hanging in there and doing all this Google Classroom stuff. I know it's complicated. I know it's hard. I know we get frustrated, but you made it to lesson 2, which means you've made it till Friday for humanities and all the other classes you've been doing. Remember, this is just a lot of intro stuff, so we're going to take it kind of easy today as we would with our Fridays prior to Mastery Connect. So for today's agenda, we're going to do an overview of the schedule, and then we're going to get into our Freestyle Friday. So I want to make sure you guys understand how the schedule is going to work, because when you were physically in school, you had switched back and forth with science and humanities. So we're going to do the same thing, just like you flip-flopped back and forth. Okay, so if you see here, Mondays, you're going to have both and humanities. Tuesday, you're going to have both ELA and math and then science. Your humanities work will be due the next day, so you have plenty of time. So Tuesday, your science work will be due the next day. Back to Wednesday, you have ELA and math, and then you have humanities, and then that's due Thursday, but on Thursday, you have ELA, math, and science, and everything's due Friday. So this humanities work is due Tuesday, this science work is due Wednesday, so on and so forth. On Fridays, you're going to have everything. ELA is going to be a vocab quiz next Friday. Math, she's going to go over specific problems that you guys have had issues with throughout the week. Humanities is always going to be Freestyle Friday, and science is going to be a glossary quiz. So for today's Freestyle Friday, before we began Mastery Connect in schools on Fridays, we participated in Freestyle Friday. I gave you a prompt. It was maybe a picture, a video, a song, and the students had to choice a poetry, story, movie scene, write like a play, write a short story, write something scary, accompany with a drawing. It's creative. It's however you want to represent yourself today. So this is going to go in your own Google Doc called Freestyle Friday. You're going to keep it with you in your Google Docs. It's going to share with me all the time. Every Friday, I'm going to go look at it at the end of the day and see if you've done a freestyle for that date. You don't need to submit it, as you are going to constantly be adding entries. So for today's Freestyle Friday, I'm throwing it back to what I miss a lot doing in class. It comes from our music and the video that it shows while it plays. I super miss playing these videos in our classroom while we work. We were so good at doing this. Everybody was quiet. We enjoyed the beats. So I thought for your Freestyle Friday today, take a listen to this mix, watch the images, write a story. You can write a journal entry. You can create a story from the images. Maybe you're describing what's happening on the screen. Anything that comes to mind. Fill your page with creative thoughts and ideas, including drawings. Make sure you do this all in your Google Doc called Freestyle Friday, and enjoy the music.